Controlling and/or maintaining moisture levels in your filament is essential to every successful 3D printing job. Ensuring consistent moisture control can be frustrating, time-consuming, and wasteful. Introducing the IFD-175EX, the latest advancement in inline filament drying from Thornton 3D. Our new drying unit is designed to adapt to virtually any hobbyist or professional-grade 3D printer available. It uses a combination of heat, desiccant, and airflow to extract moisture and maintain stability of all types of 1.75mm filament. Additionally, it is double insulated to maintain constant internal heat while increasing user safety. The multicolored desiccant makes it easy to monitor. The IFD-175EX is a plug-and-play system designed to get you up and running quickly. It can be used as a standalone drying solution or as a companion to passive drying methods like oven baking and using a dehydrator. The IFD-175EX control unit is built using the highest quality components available. It is rigorously tested and calibrated at our facility to exacting standards and provides precise temperature control and stability to within plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. Let the IFD-175EX be your tool for consistent creation.